Did I do that? Did I write that? Even underscore capital. Even. Oh, damn it! You're right, I did that. Even after. This is too much. Thank you.
Corrupt converter says case discrepancy.
Oh, that's what that means with case. When it gave me that error, it was because that. Oh. Well, actually, no, I didn't say that. It said like type or whatever. It was weird. Okay. Sad again. Object of type has no length. Well, it's related to the. Wait, why did I write list? I meant hand, but hand is a list, so I literally wrote length list. I can't do this anymore.